Hello everybody. Today I'll be speaking about MMM, its ideology, how it works, its rules and its benefits. First, let us start with its ideology. What are the ideologies that MMM stands by? The modern world is unjust, it is inhuman and unfair. It is the world of money. It is not for the people, it is for those who produce this money. For bankers, for financiers, for the government. People who produce, control or manage this money live better lives than ordinary people. This is possible because they have power over money and are well connected. What then is money if it is that important? Money is not a measure of labor. If it were, then it would be that those who really work hard for money should be the ones having the money, not the bankers who are working for the money. Money is what we need to get a roof over our heads, eat, and clothe ourselves. Money is just paper, metal coin, not necessarily backed by anything tangible. Therefore, it can be printed unrestrictedly. The whole financial world is a pyramid. The bank only collects money from Peter, adds little interest to it, then lends the same money to Paul at a higher interest rate. Banks, insurance companies, only collect money from one person and pay another person. The money does not even belong to them. The bank, that is why the bank cannot afford to pay every of its customers immediately, else it will crash. Because the money is not even theirs in the first place. It is not fair, it is not right for some people to have everything while others have nothing. But that is the case in this our world. This world which is unjust, this world which is unfair, this world has to give way for a better financial system. A world where our financial chains will be broken and will be set free. To bring about the financial apocalypse of this unjust world and to establish a new financial system is the primary goal of MMM. MMM is a global mutual aid fund. It's a voluntary informal association of millions and millions of people all over the world. These people have rebelled against the financial system and they've chosen to declare war on the bank. And for them to win this war, they have consolidated their capital, though this capital are small, but because it's coming from a level of people, they become a veritable force to fight the unjust financial system of this world. Now, what do people do? They bring their money to the bank because there is no other choice. The only thing they have is bank has the monopoly, so they just have to bring their money to them. But now we are breaking that. Everyone is taking that chain. MMM is the better alternative. In MMM, people help each other instead of enriching the banks. In MMM, there are no owners, there are no slaves. Everybody works for their own pleasure and for the whole society. Welcome to the system. Together we change the world. Now, how MMM works? What are the methods by which MMM works? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of reciprocity, benevolence and gratuitousness. In MMM, there are no debtors and there are no lenders. One participant simply asks for help, another participant provides the help. Now what does it do? You declare your willingness to provide help to your personal office, which we normally call PO. You want to know that the account will be rewarded to the Magro. The Magro will start growing from the day you declare interest in providing that help at the rate of 30% per year. And the month later, you get noted with 30% being added to your donation. So you make it 130%. Now, when it's now time for you to get help, you just request for it. Your PO, another participant who has earlier indicated interest to help, you just match to pay you. Now, what are the rules for MMM take part? Each participant is only allowed one account. Multiple accounts is not allowed anymore. Participants are not to share or use the same bank or email details with others. every participant is supposed to have his own specific email or bank detail. Participants should not provide help if they know they wouldn't pay when they dey asked to do. Participants are expected to provide help with spare money, and after making their payment they are asked to attach proof of payment. Participants are warned not to upload fake proof of payment, and when any participant wants to edit his or her bank or personal detail, he or she is expected to write to CRO. The participant is not allowed to carry out it themselves. Now, what are the benefits of joining this large and beautiful platform online? Number one, you get extra 30% of your donation monthly. Two, you get registration bonus depending on your donation. Now, you also get referral bonus when you refer someone. Now, you get guided bonus which depends on the generation of the person. Whether it's the first generation, you get 5% to the third generation, and even you get you use it to as the generation grows. You also get video testimonial. Thank you.